Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your iPhone or iPad is missing emails that are older than about a month. So if your iPhone or iPad is only showing the last month's emails, I'm going to show you how to get the older ones back. All you need to do is go into Settings, and then Mail, and then Accounts. And then tap on the email account that's missing those emails. And you should see near the bottom, Mail Days to Sync. Usually this says 1 month, and that's why you can't see older emails. So change this to No Limit, and then go back into your emails. So now you don't need to do anything else. You might just need to wait a few minutes, but the emails should gradually start to trickle in on their own. Let me know in the comments below if this video helped you, and please click the like button. And if you'd like to see more of my videos in future, hit the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.